Watch this painting of Geghark Monastery in Armenia come alive with the watercolor batik process with Ryan Fox. This painting began as a pretty complicated drawing on a 24 by 36 piece of Japanese rice paper. I've got this painting sitting outside right now. I just did some more waxing onto the foreground, and there's eagles in the background, you can hear them. A lot of waxing in the foreground, and then I did just a layer of just nothing but pure red over the whole thing, and that really contrasts with the greens in the background. I think it's going to look really nice. It's going to dry a lot lighter. This is a very light layer, then I'll start working in the background after that. I'm still in the studio working on this large one of Geghark Monastery in Armenia. So this is about 4 layers into it. I'll zoom out here so you can maybe see the whole thing. It is 24 by 38 approximately, which is, I know, pretty large for watercolor. And working with layers of wax and color, so we're just building it up. And the problem is you can't see all the beautiful color that lays underneath here because lots of it's covered by wax. And I work lots of times in alternating layers of, I'll do warm versus cool. Just like I've got a painting over here I just finished of Court Verap, which is also an Armenia scene, using the same colors. I go back and forth between warm, cool, until I kind of get the effect I'm looking for. Just throw down a bunch of weird random colors that hopefully it works out okay. Dun dun dun! And here is the finished painting with all the wax removed at the very end. The original painting and fine art prints are available online. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this content, please hit subscribe. I have some more money-saving tips in the future too. So thanks a lot, everybody, and happy painting.